What do you do when the weather is so bad? Because a theatre production, I know the amount of effort that as a team, everyone's putting into that, not just yourself as a director.
Right, yeah.
But there's a massive group of people that are working really hard to put this show on, and your audience that you've got there. Yeah. So contingencies against the British weather must be important.
Well, we decamped. We did it. If we know the rain is coming, then we kind of got a good opportunity to kind of send people into what will be our backup venue, which is the church next door, because it's big enough to be able to hold it.